Hey, hello everyone, this is Neha. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm going to do a sari look. So, let's get started. Now, I'm going to moisturize my face with Biotech. So, now I'm going to apply a facial oil all over my face to look more dewy and more hydrated skin. So, let's start with the eyes. I'm taking the Huda Beauty palette and let's start with eye makeup. Today I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's very good and very easy to blend. So let's get started. I'm just applying with the beauty blender and blend it well. Now let's take Maybelline Fit Me setting powder to set your base. Apply under your eyes and all over the face that your eyes not get crease. So now I'm using matte setting spray. Let's use blusher. It's from Maybelline and it's very soft and very easy to blend. Let's set the eyebrows now. Now I'm using the sugar lipstick. So here you guys, my sari look, and I hope you like the look, and it's very simple and dewy and classy, and anyone can follow these steps and get this kind of look. So I hope you enjoy with me. So see you, and we'll come back soon with some more videos.